What up, YouTubers? Welcome to another episode of Sanchez Scrapper TV. Today I'm showing you a part for oil change on Lexus. We have Lexus RX 350 2018. It says works for Lexus and Toyota. This is the wrench for the filter cartridge you have to take off, or else you change the filter. And one of the things you have to remember is this is a 6-cylinder. It's for 6 and 8. They have another one that looks similar, and it's actually a 4-cylinder, but don't get it because it will not fit. And you see those grooves? Make sure you get the one with the grooves, because that's what locks in on the hub to remove it, and then you can get the oil filter out. So I did the oil change on this puppy. This is a 2018 Lexus RX 350, and it has 57,000 miles. Oh shit! There you go. So we did the oil change before we drove to Orlando. This was a couple of days ago, and when we got to Orlando, the engine was knocking, was ticking, and then so I'm like, oh shit, what the hell is going on with this car? I'm like, can't be, this car is still too new for having issues. And I started watching some videos on YouTube to get an idea what the heck is going on before I start freaking out. And all the videos I was seeing for this car was all bad news. Oh, this and that. But then I started looking at the video more often. Yeah, car had over 100,000 miles. Yeah, which is understandable. Something's worn out and you have to replace it. But for this car, for this year, it was like, come on, it was just too. It didn't sound right. So I'm researching through the videos, and I come across with one video from a guy. I don't think the videos was from here. I think this video was made somewhere in Europe. And the guy had a BMW where he did the oil change, and he turned on the car, and it sounded exactly the same way as this one. So it says the secret is that when you do an oil change on these cars, and if you hear that ticking, that means the oil hasn't gone all the way to where it's supposed to go, inside the engine. So what you have to do is go to your car, start it up, and rev it up at 3,000 RPMs. Yes, 3,000 RPMs like you see right now. And hold it there for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay? And I did that for 2 to 3 minutes. The shit went away. The noise went away. Oh my God, I felt so relieved. And like I said, there's no videos out there that shows you that issue. And then when you do the oil change and you hear that knocking sound, what do you guys do? Normally you go take it to the dealer or to your mechanic, and your mechanic will say, oh, we have a problem. And then they're just going to rip you off, basically. Because, normally mechanics are not that honest. That's a fact. There's some that are very, honest, very honest, but there's some that's, holy shit, you can't even trust. And I'm sorry for those that do good, because the bad ones, they just, and you as a person, you don't realize that what the heck is going on, so you basically decide to, okay, go ahead, fix it. And it was nothing to fix. It was just to accelerate the engine. Like I said, now the car is working like a champion. Look, beautiful, man. So I hope this video helps you guys out on the Lexus and Toyotas. And yes, it does occur to any other Lexus cars. The guys, even BMWs have that issue. So if you hear that knocking sound, if you do the oil change, make sure you just rev it up for 2 to 3 minutes. And yes, I'll do another video on the oil change to give you more details. Because like I said, there's videos out there that don't show you exactly. They say, oh yeah, the oil change here, boom, boom. Oh yeah, we just changed it. And they didn't show you nothing. So we'll do another oil change on this puppy in the next couple of miles. And we'll show you guys. Well, I hope this video helps you out, guys. Have a good one. Peace.